Hello students, in this video I am going to analyze one of the CAT 2020 slot 1 questions based on the essence of the passage. Let's first analyze the paragraph and then evaluate the options. For years, movies and television series like crime scene investigation paint an unrealistic picture of the science of voices. The main focus of the sentence is the author wants us to understand that movies and television series paint an unrealistic picture of the science of voices. In the 1994 movie Clear and Present Danger, an expert listens to a brief recorded utterance and declares that the speaker is Cuban, aged 35 to 45, educated in the blah blah United States. The recording is then fed to a supercomputer that matches the voice to that of a suspect, concluding that the probability of the correct identification is 90%. The way the probability of correct identification is established is really quite unrealistic. Yes or no? This is an example of a movie which paints an unrealistic picture of the science of voices. Based on this example, the author goes on to explain that this sequence sums up a good number of misimpressions about forensic phonetics. As in, he bases it on this example, and he says that uh, such scenes that are shown in movies create misimpressions about forensic phonetics, and this has become a reason for the errors in real life justice. This is the main point that the author wants to emphasize. The last sentence, indeed, that movie scene exemplifies the so-called CSI effect, as in the scene of this movie is an example of CSI effect. And what is that effect all about? The phenomenon in which judges hold unrealistic expectation of the capabilities of forensic science. This also talks about the unrealistic expectations of the capabilities of forensic science, and it's quite there in real life justice. To finally take a snapshot of the structure of the paragraph, the first sentence introduces the theme of the paragraph, which is followed by an example, and based on the theme and example, the author gives his opinion, and herein lies the main point. So the example basically acts as the supporting fact, and the main point lies here, which I have identified in red. And the last sentence is simply an extension of errors in real life justice. Voice recognition, as used in many movies to identify criminals, has been used to identify criminals in real life also. In the paragraph, it's mentioned that voice recognition, as used in many movies to identify criminals, has led to errors in real life justice. So, the sentence given in option 1 is totally false. Option 2, movies and televisions have led to the belief that the use of forensic phonetics in legal investigations is robust and foolproof. Let's read this portion carefully again. This sequence sums up a good number of misimpressions about forensic phonetics which have led to errors in real life justice. As in, even judges hold unrealistic expectations of the capabilities of forensic science. So we can understand that since the errors in real life justice have taken place, there is a belief that the use of forensic phonetics in legal investigations is robust and foolproof, which according to the author is actually a flawed belief. This is the unrealistic expectation that he is talking about in the passage. Yes? Option 3, although voice recognition is often presented as evidence in legal cases, its scientific basis can be shaky. The topic of the paragraph is how movies and television series like CSI paint an unrealistic picture of the science of voices. So it's not about the scientific basis, and therefore option 3 is out of scope and therefore can be quickly eliminated. Option 4, voice recognition has started to feature prominently in crime scene intelligence investigations because of movies and television series. But the way it's put forth in the passage is because of the way voice recognition is portrayed in movies and television series, it has led to errors in real life justice. So this statement is totally false and cannot be derived from the passage. Correct option therefore is option 2.